Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to request after the sale refund on 1688. Okay, and in this video you can follow along the icons. Okay, because the application itself is in Chinese. Okay, and you can see all right here is in Chinese. So we're gonna click this button right here. This button is for our profile, and then we're gonna click our card. Okay, or whatever you are the products. Then once we click uh, our list of products, we're gonna find to this button right here. We're gonna find it, and we're gonna click this option right here. This one is the first one, what appears here. We're gonna click it, and then we're gonna sell our refund. Okay, and it's really easy. This is how you can do it. And well, if this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.